Hi guys, today I will share with you guys how can we write a bash script in our Linux. So what's the point? We need to learn script. The main point is to automate your work instead of using a manual way to create your task or to finish your task or your work. Okay, like example, if your manager is asking you to create 100 by 3 and need to send by today. Let's say the folder name is COVID and then the sequence number 00 and 19. Okay, so this folder you need to create 100 times. Okay, let's means 00 and then 001, 02 until 100. So what you gonna to do? You will create it by one, something like this one. It will take a lot of time instead of using script. If you are using script, actually you can finish it by 2 minutes only. But first of all, you need to know how to use the chmod command. I call it as chmod. Okay, chmod command. How can you use this command? Okay, you can check it by using ll command, and then you can see at the left side rwx rwx r-x. So what's that means? The first 3 column is to tell you that you can read. R means read, W means write, X is execute. So the first 3 column is for the user permission. Means my user name is testing. So testing have the full access to this directory or file. And next for the 3 column is group permissions. So for group, this one, so my group is testing. So for the group testing, have a read, write, execute permission to this folder or file. And the last one is for others than your group or your username. So that person only can read and execute your command. So for the dash is don't have the permission to write. Okay, like example, if you are the one the others cannot access to your folder or file, you just give them 750. Okay, at the third one, okay, the 0 is for others, and the second is for group, and the first is for the username. Okay, let's say I change the permission for the my COVID 00019 folder. Then we check. So I already changed the permission. So as you can see here, for group permission, right now only can read and execute the folder, but cannot write anything for folder COVID 00019. And for others, cannot access to my folder. Okay, others than my username and my group, that person cannot access to this folder. Let's say if you don't want others team member also cannot execute your folder or access your folder. we just give them 0. Okay, so right now, as you can see here, your group also cannot access to your folder. Okay, what's the use for the group? Okay, let's say you have a team members Ali and Abu. Okay, Ali and Abu have a same group, which is testing. So you don't want Abu to see your folder, so you just put the group permission by 0, so the Abu cannot access to your folder. Okay, so that's the way how chmod can be used. Okay, let's say I want to remove this folder, so we start to build our bash script. So the next thing that you need to know is which the bash location was installed. Okay, by typing which bash will give you where's the location for your installer or your package or software. So I want to check my bash software was installed. So here is the path. So we copy this path and we need to put it inside the script because we want to tell that file, hey file, you are my script and you are my bash script. Okay, let's say my script file name is mkdir and multiple.sh, and start your script by putting hashtag discrimination mark and your bash path. Okay, so this file will understand, hey, I am bash, something like that, to make the file understand, hey, you are bash. Okay, so let we create a variable for the prefix is COVID, suffix is 19, and the idea that can create this folder by 100 times is by using for loop command. Okay, so for in bash, the for loop can be write like this one. So for and then your variable name. Let's say my variable name is file name. You can put your variable that you want to name it. Okay, in means you want to refer this for loop to what condition. Okay, so my condition, I will put the command. Okay, I will use command seq negative w and then 0 until 100. Okay, so if you are running command in for loop, you need to put this symbol. Okay, and then you need to close it and then semicolon do. Okay, so what command that you want for loop to execute? So I want to execute mkdir command in my for loop, and I want to create the COVID-19 folder. $signs means you want to call the variable. Okay, and then I close it by slash and then dash, because without this slash this script will understand something like it's not read as prefix. It will read as prefix dash and suffix, something like that. It will read another variable and it will get error. So you need to close this one, so you will understand. Oh, this one the prefix variable, something like that lah. Okay, so after that my file name variable, and then I close, so the script will understand. Oh, this is file name variable. Okay, something like that. Okay, just to make sure this script understand my variable. Okay, so the last one is suffix, and then for debug process, echo is the best command for debug. So you will know where is the error location, something like that. Okay, so echo my file number is $sign file name. So we show you the number. My file number is 000 and then 001. Okay, so you will can see the process after you run this script. Later you can see. Okay, and then we close the for loop command by typing done. Okay, we are done, and right now we ready to run. Okay, let me change the permission for the script, because as you can see here, we don't have the permission to execute this script. You can change it by 755. It's up to you guys for the third and second what permission you want to give, but the first one you need to give the full permission, otherwise you cannot execute the command. Okay, oh sorry, it's not command, your script. So it's important for you if you put 7. Okay, and then we check. Okay, you already have the full access, only you have the full access. Also, from the black color already changed to green color, means yeah, you have the permission to execute. Okay, let's try. Okay, ta-da! So finish. No need takes too many hours to finish 100 times to create a directory. Okay, by using script, it will help you to finish create 100 directory. Okay, so that's why script is important to you guys. So happy weekend. Thank you for watching. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay, next tutorial I will show it to you guys also how to write a bash script. Okay, bye bye.